So to work with Sikuli, so let me explain the process how we can get started with Sikuli. So first of all, we have to download Sikuli IDE. So this is the website here. This is the Sikuli X downloads. So once you double click, so you can see here download the ready to use this IDE. So once you download this Sikuli, so it is going to download one of Sikuli IDE. As of now, I have already downloaded here. So let me show you. I have kept here. This is the Sikuli ID, and after downloading, you need to import one of library here. I have already written here. If you see, so we need to import this library or install this library, Robot Framework Sikuli library, and after that we need to open this double click. If you double click on this Sikuli IDE, so it is going to open like this is the downloaded one. So it will open one desktop application here. And now I have one Java 1.7, so this is the reason it is showing 1.7. So once this is opened already, so you need to do, so you need to launch your own desktop application which is going to you are going to automate. So in my case, I am going to open the Python installation, and I will do some actions like here. I need to click on this custom installation, so like this, and then I need to click on next. Then I need to click on install for all user, and then I need to click on browse till this till here I want to perform activity, and you can do for next also. As of now, for short video I am doing for this. So let me close this, so I can say you want to put yes. So sorry, it should be still open. This Python should be still open because we need some images. So what you need to do, return to this ID, click on take screenshots, and you need to capture like this. So actually we are trying to our requirement is to click on this customize path. So if you see, it has given like this. So let me do one more thing. I'm just removing this, and here I'll click on this. Before clicking, I'll write here click, and I'll give one parenthesis, and then here I'll come to this place and I'll capture till this image. And if you see here, if you, so you need to close this bracket. Oh my bad. It means uh, this is for checking like it is working here or not. So once you are done with like this, so you can click on file and see what see as. So it will give you can give one name like whatever the name custom installation. So I'm saying CI custom installation. So, and click on this C. So if you observe here, in the folder here, Sikuli folder, one folder got created, and the same like custom installation a screenshot has been taken, but here some different IDs there. So now you can say like custom installation. Okay. So this PNG file, actually if you see the extension of this file, so this is the PNG file. So here PNG file. Okay. Okay. So now if you want to check either this is working or not perfectly, so you can do one thing, come to this ID, and here run in slow motion. So if you see, it seems okay, we have changed the name. Okay, so this is the reason it is throwing error here. If you see, it is clicking also, right? So as of now, let it go back. Again I'll click on slow motion. So if you see here, so it is highlighting customize installation, it is clicking also. Okay, so it means this PNG is perfect. Okay, so similarly you need to select this like this. One PNG will be available, and after this you need to take one screenshot of this. So this is for browse, so another browse will be there. So now once this is done, a screenshot part is done, so you can close this ID. Make sure you are closing this ID. And here also I'm just I don't want to install this. And now coming to the robot framework part, so you need to create your test as usual. And here, so suppose you want to use of SQL library, so you need to import this SQL library because we have already installed pip installation we have done, so we need to import it for using purpose. So here I have created one of variable here. If you see, this is the location where my Python exe is available. So this is nothing but double slash I am giving. This is the path I have given. Okay, and here coming to this, after that this is one of my test. So what I am doing here, setup method is there. Setup method I am saying start SQL process. This is one of keyword. Let me show you here. If you come to this place, not here. Yeah, the pip command you can get it from here. And this is the pypy, and this is the command to install SQL library. And here you can say SQL robot framework library. If you click on this first, so not here, my bad, GitHub, not here also, SQL robot framework library, keyword. If you type keyword here, so anyway, so this is the library path here. So if you type here start SQL process, this is the first keyword we need to use this. And similarly, once our process will be done, so we have a remote close, remote stop remote server like this. So this is the reason what I am doing here. In the setup method, I am saying start SQL process and stop remote server. So the first action is start SQL process. So okay, fine. So here I need to use open application. This is one of keyword from this library. Open application. If you type here open application, so you can get it this application. It means we need to pass the binary file location. Once this is done, so you can remove this sleep also not. So as of now for demo purpose I am keeping it. After that you need to add the path where we have stored the our PNG files. So if you see this location, SQL location, so I can show you here. Let me do one thing. Task manager, taskbar settings. I don't want taskbar behaviors automatically hide. Okay, so that will be fine. Now it won't go. Okay, so here if you see this path, let me come out this. Yeah, so I have given this. As of now, I'm deleting this. So you can see here I have one custom installation screen. Similarly, I have one install for all user, and one more I have click on next. One more I have browse file. Okay. So here, so this is the reason I have added this file. This location is nothing but this location. So this is having all the PNG files. So this is add image path is nothing but it is adding the image path. After that, we have one library, keywords. It is known as click. Click here. If you see click, so we need to pass this PNG file. So come to this place. I am saying click. The first I need to click on this custom file. You can see here in the name itself it is showing custom installation, but I have given the CF file name. After that, I am waiting for 2 seconds. Then I am saying OF next. I have given name like that. So OF next. Then again I am sleeping. Then I am saying install for all users. It means click on this. Then I am saying browse file for PNG. Browse file for PNG. This is this keyword. So once it is done, save it and make sure you have closed the IDE part. So now let me run this process. So if you see here, start and wait and watch. So it is starting SQLish process on this port. This is binary. Now my application has been launched. It means double clicked. Now if you see cursor, it's clicked on that custom file. Now it is click on install. Now it is click on install for all users. Now it is click on browse. And this is the 4 steps I have performed. Now my test is passed. So it's doing happily whatever I required for my automation. So like that you can perform all these steps if you need to do automation using SQL desktop application. Even you can see here like it has click using this. Here it is clicking using this library, image. Here it is adding, and here it is using this custom installation. So everything you can browse it here. And setup part it is starting here, so it is running on board. Make sure when it is started, then you need to close also, else your memory will consume it. And this is the tear down method. So I'm closing a robot framework server stopping. So this is the overview about SQL library, means how we can make use of this library for the desktop application. Thank you guys.